Hey Alex, what do you got there? What's that called? Oh, and you've had them before? So how do you rate them out of 10? A 10? Well, can I have a look at one? Oh, wow, stick it in your mouth and eat it. All right, thank you, my son. What's this called, baby?
Immigration Office atau kantor imigrasi.
Okay.
Let's we go.
Are you going to do what today?
To renewal my passport.
Oh, and to that son there, Alex.
Yeah.
He needs one too, right?
Yeah, we need to extend it
Okay.
for another 5 years. Have a look.
Itu memang bikin rusuh.
Iya.
Kalau orang mabuk itu nggak akan bikin rusuh karena dia akan tertidur di situ.
Di situ ya.
Tipikal saya kayak gitu. Makanya saya udah stop narkoba, stop minum.
Pak,
stop rokok.
awal-awal stop pasti sakit badannya
Badan,
kayak.
Kak.
Astaga.
Beneran, ini hanya waktu itu pendeta itu bina saya. Makanya saya lihat dengan caranya rehabnya yang sekarang, penjara itu gini ceritanya. 3 bulan di penjara baru sidang kan gitu.
Ya. Lama juga ya?
Ya, setelah mau sidang, mama saya itu mungkin ngomong ke pimpinan di sana, mungkin ngasih uang lah gitu kan.
Iya.
Pas akhirnya saya itu bebas bersyarat waktu itu.
Puji Tuhan.
Ya.
Apa dong harus setiap wajib lapor ya, Pak?
Ya, satu, kedua saya nggak boleh di rumah saya area perkampungan itu selama 3 tahun.
3 tahun.
Makanya saya habis dari penjara langsung ke Lampung.
Oh gitu.
Iya. Di Lampung itulah saya dibina, dikurung di kamar itu selama 2 bulan.
Oh.
Karena kebetulan saudara ada yang
Itu
pendeta.
kejadian waktu Bapak sudah nikah atau
Belum.
masih single? Oh, oke. Ya nggak mungkin juga ya ngelakuin pas
Makanya-
sudah nikah.
What are you up to?
Look at that, madam. So beautiful, eh?
That's right up your alley too.
Yeah, for sure. This one too, my darling. Have a look. The rings. Ooh la la. Luxurious, eh?
For sure.
I love that one.
I'm sure you do.
Oh,
Keep
for
moving
sure.
along.
Second one. Wow, that's me. Woo! Woo! Whoa!
Show me your dance. Come on, woman.
Come on, darling. Kuta Beach. Woo. Whoa. Beautiful, eh? Have a look down there. The sunset's so beautiful.
You feel really home here or what? What do you think?
Wow, so stunning sunset, my darling.
For sure.
In Kuta Bali. Have a look around. People on the beanbag. A lot of tourists here.
Do you want to go out for lunch? Even though it's dinner time?
For sure, darling.
Where are we going?
Over there to Jamie Oliver Kitchen.
Okay, let's go.
I have dinner at Jamie Oliver Kitchen, my darling.
Oh, okay.
He's a famous chef. International chef from England.
Good. Oh, that's
UK.
a TV show. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Deal. Let's
Celebrity chef.
go. Well, come on then.
Hot rock, darling. Oliver. Oh, very crowded tonight. A lot of people here.
Yeah. Have a look at the menu. Have a look at the menu.
La la. Which one would you love to order?
Well, let's go in and check out the menu in there, yeah?
Yeah. I have a look the big plates.